I'm Kadijah Nicole and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm trying out some hair by UNice, and I've always heard so many good things about UNice hair. So I'm finally trying out some of their inches. This is their curly hair. It is their 13x6 lace front wig in 22 beautiful inches. The hairline is pre-plucked. It is also 150% density. So right now my hair is just like super fluffy. I just washed it and applied it, installed or whatever, and I'm actually going to be doing the wet look today. Yeah, I just want to make it kind of tame down, although the big fluffy look is super cute. I don't really have no part going on or nothing. I haven't styled it, but this hair is beautiful, like big and fluffy. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the wet look today. So let me do a middle part. I think I'll do a middle part today. I don't usually be doing middle parts like that, as y'all know, but I'm getting into it more. One thing about a middle part though is you always want to make sure it look real flat. You don't want it to look lumpy or bumpy and nothing like that. So now I'm about to go in with some water to help lay the hair down. And not just to lay it down, but to also help give the wet look. And I'm trying to avoid the front part of my lace. I don't want to get too much water close to it because then it's going to start peeling up. I just have it tacked down with a little bit of Got To Be gel. I'm also going to go in with some mousse, of course. So I think this side's pretty good. Let me do this side. Alright, so I've got the hair pretty wet now. And I am getting a little bit of shedding when I run my fingers through it, but not bad. You know, with curly hair, it sheds, so. And like I said, I'm going to be going in with some mousse. And this is the Smooth and Shine Black Seed Oil and Coconut Oil Hydrating Setting Mousse. And I can't say the company's name right, so I like put it on the screen or something, but it's this one. And I usually like to use the Cantu mousse, but I picked this up just to pick it up. Actually, I picked it up because the Cantu was higher and I was like, I'm about to save some coins. So I picked this one up. Got a whole bunch in my hand. Hair like this is perfect for the summertime. Because going against the grain with straight hair, having to keep straightening it, it can get old sometimes. But with this, you can actually wet it and it's not going to, it can't revert or anything because it's already curly. So for any type of trips or anything you're going on, this will be great. Even at the pool. And this hair is beautiful, y'all. Y'all see how the curls are popping? They are popping 10. You can see the difference. This still has a little bit more volume to it, and this is just like 10. It's giving that wet look. I'm actually really excited about this look. As you guys know, or if you don't know, I have done the wet look on my natural hair, and I actually think I should try it again. The wet look is super trendy right now. All your fave celebrities have been rocking it. Definitely make sure you guys check out the description box because I'm gonna have all the links to this hair. And also I have a coupon code you guys can use. Go get you some cute curly hair or whatever else the website has to offer. Y'all know UNice got a lot of hair. Definitely check out their site if you're looking for some nice hair. I know it's back to school season. All my ladies that like to wear, bundles or like to wear protective styles. My natural girls, protective styling with wigs. All right, so now I just need to fix it how I want it to lay. I think I'm gonna tuck it behind my ears. This piece needs a little mousse. Tuck right here. Just want to run my fingers through the back. I don't want no weird part back here. So now that I have the style exactly how I want it, I'm not gonna mess with it no more, because if you continue to rake through your hair, it's just gonna make it frizz up. And we're not going for a big, you know, fluffy look. We're going for more of a tamed, wet look. This is what it's looking like. And my look is not complete without my hoops. So let me put my hoops in. Big hoop energy. I really like how it looks just throw behind my shoulders. So cute. And now all I gotta do is dry. It ain't dripping or anything, so you can honestly just set it like this and then go about your day, and then it's just gonna dry. So the hype of UNice hair is very real, y'all. This hair is beautiful, as you guys can see for yourself. Like I said, make sure you check out the description box for all of the links, the details, the coupon code, all of that description box below. I think my wet look turned out really cute. Let me know what y'all think. That's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.